Okay guys, so afterwards it should look like this. So hold on, I gotta get the correct angle. So as you guys can see, it looks like a plus sign, and then on the other side it should look like a plus sign also. And the same thing with this one, plus sign and then plus sign. So the first step that you want to do is obviously get two sheets of computer paper, okay? 2 sheets, so that you can make this ninja star. And if you guys don't have 2 sheets of computer paper or regular college ruled or regular line pieces of paper, then you can't make the ninja star. Next step, you want to take one corner and move it down as you would do if you were making a fortune teller. Okay? So you guys want to line it up as best as you guys can and crease it. You might want to crease it once or twice, depending on the person that you are. If you really want a perfect ninja star, crease it like this, and yeah. You guys see how that's super creased? Well, now you gotta fold from the bottom or cut from the bottom. So yeah, I'll get to you guys after I do that. You should do it to both the papers so you don't have to rewatch this video. So after you do this, then you should fold it across. It doesn't really matter which way since you've made a square. And then you want to fold it again. And do that to both pieces of paper so that you guys will be ready for the next step. It should look like this after you have done it. So I have finished both of these. As you guys can see, there's a crease right there, and on this one it is right there. So what you want to do is you want to find the crease and then you want to fold it on the crease, just for one of them, because there's a special thing that you have to do. And then you want to crease this right here. And then after you do this, it should look like this. And then you want to fold this up so that and then after you crease it, then it should look like this. So with this one, you want to, if it works, fold it on the crease. But as you guys can see, on mine, it will not work. Okay? So I want to fold it the other way. Because if I fold it the other way, then it will end up matching up with this. So then, after that, I will fold this up again. And if you want to know if you got it correct, it should look like this. Because, as you guys can see, if I flip this over, it looks just like this one. So, yeah, let's get into the next step. So, for this one, you can do it to both. As you guys can see, I have a crease right there. So, I am going to fold this in. And then you want to crease that so that it won't undo on you. And then, as you guys can see, there's no crease there. But you want to make it so that it looks like an arrow. So you want to fold it this way. And then crease this one as well. And then it should kind of look like an S. So you want to do it to the other one as well. But as you guys can see, the crease is on the opposite side. So I'm just going to fold it on the crease, but oppositely. So as you guys can see right there. And now I'm going to crease it, and I'll get to you guys for the next step. So guys, as you guys can see, I can make a diamond out of this. So after you got this, then as you guys can see, then there's 2 lines here. And then there's lines there. So you want to put them on top of each other so that you can see the lines. Okay? And you want to take one of the points and put it down and stick it into a pocket. And then you want to crease it but you want to make it as even as you guys can. So after you get that, then you want to push this up so that you can make it as even as possible. And yeah, that's as even as it's going to get. So now I'm going to go counterclockwise. So that means that I would go with this one. So then I'm going to go in, crease it, make it even, and then boom. And then I will go for this one right here. Go in, and you want to make sure that you have points. I threw one of these before and it popped a balloon. Not saying that yours will guaranteely pop a balloon, but yeah. So as you guys can see, this is not how it should look, but I'm gonna be able to fix that. As you guys can see on this side, it's correct so far. So what I have to do is I have to make the plus sign on this side. So what I have to do is I have to pick up this flap right here with the big triangle. I got to get to this one right here so I can make the pocket. As you guys can see, I made a pretty good pocket. So now all I have to do is just put, as you guys can see, this is kind of like overlapping. So you want to put this under the big triangle and you want to fold it over and push it into the big pocket. And if you guys want to make it tighter, just push in all of your spikes. And then, boom, you have it. As you guys can see, I have the plus sign here. And I got to make this tighter right here. So all I want to do is I want to pull it that way. And then I want to push it in. So that's wonderful. So now I have the plus sign there and the plus sign there, which means I have successfully made the ninja star. See you guys in the next video.